Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can reconcile payments received from our customers with the bank charges in Odoo 19. So let's jump to Odoo ERP database, and here we have accounting module. And if I go to customers invoices, we have two invoices that are posted but payments are not recorded yet. We will record the payment against these invoices, and we will record the expenses, bank charges, that is our expense in this invoice. So I'm going to record the payment, pay, and I'm recording in my bank journal 8950 May 15, create payment, and it is in payment now. We need to reconcile this payment, and customer is baby garments 8950. Now I'm going to my dashboard, and here we have bank journal, transactions, new, May 15, payment received from customer. Total was 8950, but I am recording 8750. Now recording full payment here. Customer is baby, land garments. Click on add and close. Then it will ask me to reconcile this payment. If I click on reconcile, it will show me open invoices against this customer. So I will select this because I already recorded the payment against this invoice, and we can also see here journal entry for that payment. I am selecting its total is 8950. I am going to select this, select, and it is reconciled, but it is partially reconciled. Let me open it, edit it, and here the payment is recorded 8750 May 15, but it is not fully reconciled. So here we have one button that is called fully reconcile. I will click on fully reconcile, then it will show me difference there. I am clicking on fully reconcile and save this. Now it is showing me the difference 200. So now I will put this 200 in bank charges. For this, I simply click on, we can also create reconciliation models to automate this, and we can also reconcile it manually. So I'm going to reconcile it manually, clicking on three dots, and here we have option to set accounts. I'm going to set account, and that account is bank charges. Select this, and now it is reconciled. 200 has been charged to recorded in bank charges. Now let me go to invoice first, customers invoices, and that invoice is fully paid now. Let me open it. Now its has been status has been changed to paid, fully invoiced, and total payment is recorded 8950. Now we need to check that expense in our statement. Going to reporting, profit and loss in 2026. If I go into bank and here we have that expense, bank charges 200, that is recorded in our statement properly. So in this way we can record bank charges bank charges expense on our invoices, and similarly we can also record these expenses on our vendor bills. Thank you so much.